let me quickly demonstrate how to write the attachment. Okay, so basically, just need to say, just straightforward. This is attachment, so just to say attachment, right? Attachment to form 3472. Okay, and then I don't want to type this part, right? So just copy and paste it here. Just need to do something like this. Okay, subtitle, headings, and all that. Let's just title and the body. Okay, so at the very beginning, you already said that this is attachment. Okay, as simple as that. You might add a little bit, saying that this is the. Let me just quickly add the subtitle here. Report of transactions of a foreign corporation that is a foreign-owned U.S. disregard entity. Okay, you can add this so they can get straightforward. Oh, this attachment because you got like Form 1120 as well as Form 5472, and they know exactly what kind of attachment of this belongs to. And you add this so you know, oh, this is like transaction. Okay, they understand this. Just to make those people work out IRS lives a little bit easier, right? So once it is done, yeah, you can just add the transaction, the description. But before everything, they need to still tell them what kind of basic information do you have. So what I'm going to do is to add the text here. Okay, so I think I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. So text here, because this is like, come on, it's so really small. Let me just make this a little bit bigger, maybe 20, right? So for text here, I'm going to say this insert the text here. Okay, you can for example, it's try to write 6 now, you can start to write 5. Okay, or you can say a certain period. Okay, from a certain time and at a certain time, if that suits you. Okay, there's no rule here, really depends on different company situation. So for example, right now it's 2026, the text is 2025. Okay, so yeah, of course you got like a short year, something like that, doesn't really matter. Okay, as long as you indicate that is a tax year, and of course you can even add the reporting corporation. So I'm going to say reporting reporting corporation's name, and then here you just write down your corporation's name. So for example, if you're a single member LLC, that's and then you can just say specific LLC. Okay, as simple as that. Right, so once you got the tax year, reporting corporation name, there's no way of them to pinpoint it. So you need to also add this EIN. Okay, so that employer identification number that is unique to your corporation. You have to add this EIN as something like this. Okay, just add a EIN. Right, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, one missing. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That's exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So that's the EIN. Okay, so that is the basic information of your company, of your corporation. Tax year, the name as well as EIN, so they can pinpoint the company. Okay, and then there is the detail. Okay, so you can add the description of reportable transaction. Right, so basically you add the different transaction. Okay, this includes, okay, you don't need to write this down. This include, for example, there is a formation. Okay, so formation, or there's include for example like the dissolution. Okay, also this include acquisition. Okay, acquisition. And distribution, if you want to get the money from this and you actually receive report of transaction from that LLC to your personal bank account, you know what? That's distribution. Distribution, and of course contribution. Okay, all that. You don't need to add all this, but you just need to repeatedly add the item that consider the report of transaction.